Hi friends, happy summer. I hope you're enjoying your June. I think today might be the first day of summer. Close enough. Hope it's not going by too fast. I feel like it is flying by. But I do have my June order and wanted to share a few things that I received this month. So last week was also the Young Living Convention, which was in person. Sadly, I didn't get to go because it's always a fabulous time. Hopefully next year. But they did share some new clinical research that we have on our favorite NingXia Red. So fortunately I ordered NingXia Red this month, so it's a good excuse to talk about it again. So it's a superfood juice and puree. The main ingredient is NingXia wolfberry, which is from our farm in NingXia region of China. So they just have great mineral quality in their water and their soil and just super high farming practices. So we've got this superfood juice that is great for all ages, and there's always been tons of testimonies as to how it's helped people with things like energy and sleep and blood sugar balance. But now we actually have research to back it up. So that's really fun. So the study was 160 healthy adults, ages 18 to 70, and they were divided into two groups. So half were given 2 ounces of NingXia Red every day, and the other half weren't given a placebo. They were given a placebo, and then they were both told to not change anything else about their lifestyle. So at the end of 60 days, what we had was that the group that took the NingXia Red had 35% more energy. They reduced their physical limitations by 36%, and they improved their sleep patterns and increased their sleep time by an average of 21 minutes a night. It was shown to support their healthy inflammation response and support healthy breathing and respiratory system function. It also reduced daily stress by 23% and improved mental well-being. So it's really fun to know that NingXia Red, it's not just all in our head, it does have value, and it's a great way to just kind of fill in some of those nutritional gaps. So if you're thinking about adding a supplement, I would suggest you start with NingXia Red instead, because it's going to have a lot of different vitamins and minerals in it. It's great for all ages. Again, super tasty, easy to take. It's not like taking a pill or something. So this is a 2-ounce packet, which is great because those are really easy to take with you on the go, to travel with, take to work. They come in a box of 30. The cheapest way to buy it is through your loyalty rewards. So you're going to get points back, but then it's also the cheapest per ounce as well. So you'll get 4 bottles and 30 packets. So start with your NingXia Red. What are you waiting for? So something that was free this month that was really fun is this cute travel diffuser. So it's so pretty and cute and little. Plugs into a USB. It comes with a cord. So to fill it up, you take off the pretty part, and then you kind of twist and take off the cap, fill it up to the red dot, put the cap back on so the water doesn't spill, give it a little twist, and then put the other cap back on. So it has colors and lights, and then it has different outputs for the mist. So you can change those independently of each other or have them both on. So if you need a little night light in your car, that would work as well. Also maybe plug into your computer, so it's a great size for a desk diffuser as well. So I accidentally bought the Thieves laundry detergent again, laundry soap. So I have enough to last me for years at this point. But this is where I recommend you start with your ditching and switching. So your laundry, your clothes, your sheets, your towels, they touch your body 24/7, and it's really important to get those fragrances and those chemicals off your skin. So I use about 1/4 of an inch in the cap per large load of laundry, so it doesn't take much. It's super thick. Like if you're used to grocery store or big box store laundry detergent, it's almost like water. This stuff is more like honey. So if you want to dilute it, you can, and then you can use more, but it goes a long way. It looks like a small bottle, but it's not. So works really well. Get rid of your fragrances, get rid of your laundry sheets, your dryer sheets, your fabric softeners, all the stuff. If you want to scent your laundry, you can use wool dryer balls with some essential oils on them. If your clothes are still getting staticky, make sure you're not drying like nylon clothes, like workout clothes, with your cottons, because one is going to get dry a lot sooner, and what causes static is tumbling hot dry clothes. So try not to do that. The other thing I recommend that I never purchase because it's free occasionally and I never run out is the Thieves household cleaner. So it's a concentrate as well, so you use a capful per 16 ounces of water, and you can spray it on pretty much every surface in your home. So if you want a good first order for kind of ditching and switching and getting the toxins out of your home, I would start with the laundry soap, the Thieves cleaner, and the NingXia Red. It's kind of a nice, well-rounded place to start. So also ordered Essential Zymes 4, which is my favorite enzyme. So great for helping you digest plant foods and animal foods. As we age, our body doesn't make as many enzymes, and if you want to get the nutrition out of your food, you need to be able to break it down. So one of the many enzymes that we have. Cel-lite Magic was part of the Lymph system kind of detox challenge that was in May. So I'm almost out because I had an old bottle, so I wanted to buy more. So I'm going to add cypress oil to this, which helps the lymph system. And then after a shower, when my skin's still damp, I'll just kind of use this as a moisturizer almost and just kind of slather it on. Another thing that's really good for the lymph system is Citrus Fresh, which was free this month as well. So this is great to apply over all your different lymph node systems. Citrus Fresh is photosensitive, as some of the citrus oils are, and so you'll want to apply this either when you're not going out in the sun for the day or in the evening. Another free one was Stronella, which we tend to get this one free a lot. So one way to use it is to buy these little sprayers from Amazon, and you can just cut the little stem so that it fits in the bottle, and then you have a little pump on the top, and so you can use this for the buggy season. If it doesn't do the trick, then you can also buy the Young Living insect repellent, which works the best of any natural insect repellent on the market that doesn't have DEET in it. So it works really good if you want to keep, again, the toxins off your skin. Owie was free this month, which is great to put with your little Band-Aid stash for your kids this summer. And then Stress Away, which is vacation in a bottle. So that's a great smell to take with you in the car as well. So another purchase was Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood Hydrosol. So this is the floral water that's left over after distilling sandalwood. And this is great for your hair. So you can use it as a detangler. I want to use it to support healthy hair growth. So I'm going to add 20 drops of cedarwood, 20 drops of rosemary, 20 drops of lavender, 20 drops of copaiba. So spray this on when my hair is wet. You could also do it every day, as often as you wanted. So just all those oils are great for supporting healthy hair growth. Also, the massage oil comes with a pump if you prefer a pump. Also ordered another makeup brush from Young Living. Young Living does still have makeup. We've actually expanded the line of the liquid makeup, which is awesome. Liquid foundation, cleanest makeup on the planet, 2,500 ingredients they will not use that are in a lot of other makeups and beauty care products, even ones that say they're all natural and safe. So this is our product catalog. It's 2020, 2021. So hopefully a new one's coming out soon. But it's always nice to have on hand. It's got beautiful pictures of the farms and then of course all of the products. So it's nice to know sometimes everything that Young Living has because there is so much. So hopefully that was helpful for you this month. Hope you'll grab your NingXia Red. I'll put a link for you along with your Thieves laundry soap and Thieves cleaner. Great way to start getting your home better smelling, cleaner, safer, detoxified, and all that good stuff. So let me know, of course, if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to see you again in July. Bye.